In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online company as the primary admin. This is important because only the correct admin level access will allow you to make major changes like deleting company data. Also, keep in mind that this process is intended for companies that are still fairly new. Next, check whether your company is eligible for data purging. In most cases, QuickBooks only allows you to completely wipe the data if the company was created within the last 60 days. If your company falls within that window, you can move forward with the reset process. If not, there is a different path you'll need to take, which I'll mention in a moment. Once you've confirmed eligibility, go to your browser's address bar and add /purge company to the end of your QuickBooks Online company URL, then press enter. This opens the company purge page directly. Be careful here and make sure you're working in the correct company file before continuing. You'll then see a warning message explaining that all company data will be permanently deleted. Take a moment to read this carefully. This step is important because the action cannot be undone. When QuickBooks removes the data, it deletes transactions, lists, and other company information so the account can be reset. If you're ready to continue, type yes in the confirmation field exactly as requested. After that, click OK or Wipe Data, depending on the version of the screen you see. This confirms that you want QuickBooks to erase the company data and start the file over from scratch. Now, wait while QuickBooks completes the process. Depending on the amount of information in the company, this may take a little time. During this step, the system clears out the existing records and resets the company file. Once the purge is complete, review your company settings and preferences. This is a good time to make sure things like basic setup options and accounting preferences are correct before you begin entering data again. After that, set up your company again by adding your chart of accounts, customers, vendors, products and services, and opening balances. Taking your time here will help you build a cleaner and more accurate file from the start. If the Purge Company option isn't available because your company is older than 60 days, QuickBooks generally requires you to create a new QuickBooks Online company instead. Thanks for watching.